Don't blink. These next 3 seconds could change your career. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through a 30-day plan to upskill fast. In a rapidly changing job market, continuous learning isn't optional. It's your competitive edge. A 30-day challenge is short enough to stay motivated, yet long enough to make meaningful progress. By taking daily action, you'll build momentum and confidence as a career switcher or upskiller. Step 1 is to pick a single high-impact skill. Just one. Maybe it's Python programming, project management, data analysis, or public speaking. Define a clear outcome like automate a task with Python or deliver a 5-minute presentation confidently. Tying your goal into a personal why, a promotion, a career change, or solving a real problem will keep you committed. Next, assemble your toolkit. Choose a primary course and stick to it, an online specialization or a professional certificate on Coursera, for example. Supplement with trusted references, documentation, a good book, and a supportive community on LinkedIn or Reddit. Leverage AI helpers like Coursera Coach, available in select courses, to break down complex concepts, answer your questions, and guide you through practice prompts that build confidence. Other tools such as ChatGPT or Notion AI can also help you summarize difficult topics, but remember to practice, not just consume. Plan your month, break the skill into weekly themes, and schedule a daily micro-learning session, 30 to 60 minutes that you treat as non-negotiable. Consistency beats intensity. Showing up every day for a short session compounds into 15 to 30 hours of real progress. Step 3 is all about active practice. Don't just watch or read, build something every day. Code small programs, design a poster, or run a mini marketing campaign. Whatever fits your skill. Real-world projects transform theory into muscle memory. Step 4, get feedback early and often. Ask a mentor or peer to review your work, post your project in a community, or use AI tools to check your grammar or debug your code. Immediate feedback lets you correct mistakes and accelerate your learning. Step 5, document your journey. Keep a learning journal or a digital playbook of shortcuts and breakthroughs. Sharing your progress publicly, say weekly LinkedIn updates, keeps you accountable and builds your personal brand as a learner. And finally, stay accountable and celebrate milestones. Announce your challenge to friends or join a study buddy group. Conduct weekly reviews, what worked, what didn't, and what's next. Reward yourself for sticking with it. By day 30, you won't be a world-renowned expert, but you'll have a solid foundation, a finished project, and the confidence to keep going. More importantly, you'll have trained the most valuable meta skill of all, how to learn quickly. Ready to start? Head to Coursera to explore professional certificates and courses that fit your goal. Whether you're diving into data analytics, cloud computing, leadership, or marketing, Coursera offers curated learning paths and hands-on projects to help you upskill fast. Your next 30 days could change your career. So why wait? Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, a new skill is a new door.